Are you tired of guessing what each button does in Zoho Mail? Change the display language in under 30 seconds. I'll show you 2 ways to do it: the standard menu path and a quick search trick. Let's start with the gear icon. Start by clicking the Settings gear icon in the upper right corner. Then, in the left sidebar, click System. Now, locate the Language section on this page. From the drop-down menu, select your preferred display language. Alternatively, you can search for the language using the search bar. Just type the language name into the search field. Then, click the language from the results. The change will be saved automatically. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.